copying what I did here, I started with the brown shade, a deep brown, and I went from the outer corner V into my crease. Then I tapped with a flat shader brush into like a mustard yellow color. And then I went back in with the brown to just start building up on the layers here. I'm going to go in with a pencil brush now, and I'm going to go into Toto, and I'm going to go on the bottom lash line. This gold shade right there. I'm just going to tap that right in. Lightly flick up to create that little line right there. And then you want to bring it in. And then now I'll fill it. It's lashes, and it's called No Filter. Let it dry a little bit more, and then I'll go in straight to plop it right there on. And I'll go back in with my mascara to just marry my lashes and the strip lash together. So again, my lip liner combo is Basic Beauty's Cocoa and MAC's Peach Blossom. That might be my go-to now that I finally find a lip combo that I think looks decent. But I do like it with this eye look. So kind of a win-win both ways. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I use the Clinique Cleansing Balm to take off my makeup before I wash my face. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just going in, taking a nice amount. I will massage that into my hands, like so, and it almost feels like coconut oil, just a little bit more liquidy. And I'm just going to rub down and gently all over. Now, it does say not to use this for your eyes. I still do it anyway. So, don't be like me if you don't want to. It will leave you feeling like you can't see if you put it on your eyes. It is really too heavy. So, yeah. But I do it. Once you have melted that right in, add water. It's face wash time. Alright, so dab, 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 dab. Alright, not bad. So what I'm gonna do now is I take like a little bit of lotion on a Q-tip and I kind of just wipe off any excess mascara that's there in my eyes. So let's go ahead and do that. This is what I do. I put a little bit of lotion. This is just like dripping. So I'm taking the Q-tip, rubbing it in so, making sure there's no like globs, and then I just go like this. I'm not really applying pressure, just wiping down. So as you can see, this is still what the Q-tip looks like. So the Bliss cleanser that I was using was actually really good at getting off that mascara that you saw lingering after the cleansing balm. And that is also a big reason why I double cleanse, because I just want to make sure that I'm getting off everything. Actually, let me use the other side so you can see now. Like, that was the bottom. That's how much was left over on the bottom of my eye. And I know it looks like I'm applying a lot of pressure. I promise you I'm not. So this is from one eye. Now I'm going to go back in on the other side to the other eye. Again, just really soaking the Q-tip up with the lotion, but I don't want any globs. And then I will go to the other side. You guys, when I was in junior high school, there was this girl who wore heavy eye makeup, and it was mostly like black eyeliner, black mascara, like I'm telling you, heavy smoky eye every day. And then she was missing, she was absent. See, this one had a lot more. She was absent for about a week from school, and when she came back, she had an eye patch, and I was just like, girl, are you okay? And she told me she had an eye infection from not cleaning her face properly. Like, her eye makeup caused an infection, that there was like pus and everything, and she had to have like a surgery or probably just like a procedure. But you know, when you're that young, you're just like, and ever since, I'm telling you, when it comes to like eye makeup, I'm scarred, guys. I'm just like, I don't want to have an eye patch. I don't want to have an eye infection. So yeah, that's it. So now I'll just go into my regular skincare routine, and your girl is done.